Take a look at where we are today. If you've been searching for a property where privacy comes first, I think you're going to like this one. Set on 9+ acres with no restrictions, this Tennessee mini farm offers a stocked pond, pasture, and plenty of space to enjoy country living your own way. Let's take a closer look at everything this property has to offer.
Offering 1,848 square feet of living space, this house features a split-bedroom floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The spacious living room is highlighted by laminate flooring, a vaulted tongue-and-groove ceiling, and a stone gas log fireplace that creates a warm and welcoming gathering space. Throughout the house, every bedroom includes a walk-in closet and ceiling fan for added comfort. The kitchen is designed with both functionality and everyday living in mind. You'll find generous counter space with additional seating, a gas range, stainless dishwasher, a new backsplash, and a new skylight that brings in plenty of natural light. A built-in breakfast nook offers a casual dining area, while the formal dining room with hardwood flooring provides flexibility to serve as a dining space or a home office. The primary suite includes a walk-in closet and a private bath, featuring an oversized vanity, walk-in shower with a glass door, and a separate soaking tub. Additional updates include a gas tankless water heater installed approximately 3 years ago and a 4-ton gas HVAC system installed in December 2025, with a transferable warranty through August 2033. Stepping outside, the 9+ unrestricted acres provide everything you need to enjoy country living. The stocked pond, open pasture, and long asphalt driveway create a peaceful setting with plenty of room to spread out. A 36 by 48 detached garage with power and a garage door opener offers outstanding